Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is from Chollas Lake Park here in San Diego. It's a small lake. It's a very nice place, a quiet area, and we had our field trip here with our little ones today, since it's Friday. So this video is to say happy birthday to an amazing lady. She has made an awesome life of herself. She has made millions in her business, and we're so glad and so blessed to have her mentoring us. This is just amazing. And Gillian, you're an amazing woman and very blessed to have you in our lives. So happy birthday, enjoy it, and have fun with all your family there. Feliz cumpleaños, que te diviertas mucho y que cumplas muchos más. Con mucho cariño, with so much love from our part. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Feliz cumpleaños. Bye. Thank you for watching, everyone, from San Diego. Bye.